Welcome to the official Jump training game. In this training arcade game, players are challenged to jump from platform to platform, answering quiz questions along the way. These questions can be multiple choice, multi-select, image match, text input, or polls. The Jump game comes with 3 visual designs. For companies that require custom branding or want the games to have more of their own look and feel, the Training Arcade team provides services to design custom skins to leverage your colors, icons, characters, logo, and/or products. Every Training Arcade game aligns with different employee performance objectives when it comes to game-based training. The Jump game is great for recall and assessment. It transforms the typical quiz into a fun, addictive game that engages audiences while bringing in some elements of skill as they jump their way to great heights of success. Points, leaderboards, and timers are all essential when it comes to learner retention and knowledge lifts. One of the best features of Jump, the ease of creating a one-of-a-kind game. Step 1. Log in to your Training Arcade admin portal. Step 2. Click Add New Game and select Jump. Step 3. Fill in the basic game info by making simple selections to set the stage for your game, like naming your game, choosing how much time to allot for each question, setting a pass-fail, adding messages to set the stage for what the learner can expect from the game, and user registration. Step 4. Click the Questions tab and fill in the game questions, answers, and feedback. This tab is just as user-friendly as the Game Info tab. Step 5. Don't forget to click Save. Note, you can edit the game as much as you want after you save and it will update the game in real time. Step 6. Publish your game to your learners a dozen different ways to ensure they can use it through e-learning, at a live event, or through blended learning. You also have the option to download your game as a SCORM package to easily integrate into your existing learning management system. The game URL can also be embedded into a course created with Storyline, Captivate, or Lectora, added to a PowerPoint presentation, emailed or texted to learners, pasted into a chat during a webinar, or used for live learning with groups or individuals competing against each other for leaderboard dominance. For more information on Jump and other training games, visit thetrainingarcade.com.